Hey guys, I have a really exciting tutorial to share with you today. I am going to use Mod Podge to transform a really boring stool from that into something beautiful. All you need is some Mod Podge, a very clever glue, a piece of furniture that you want to make over, some beautiful pattern paper in a design you love, and a paintbrush. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out the paper that we're going to recover the stool that we want to upcycle. So what we want to do is grab your piece of paper, and then we're going to pop it down on the table and just pop your stool on top of it, and then we're going to trace around the circle pattern that is the top. So do you want to trace around, Harvey? Good boy. You want to get it pretty flush with the edge. You don't really want any overhang because then the paper will end up folding over the top once you glue it on, and I just think there might be a little bit more risk of that coming off. So, okay, so then we can take the stool off and we are just going to cut out the shape that we have drawn on. So I think even if you cut it slightly in on the line, it would also work well too. You just don't really want it overlapping. We've cut out the round of fabric and that is now going to fit on top of the stool. So I found it's just easier to kind of manage it on top of the stool if you just wet it a little bit with a cloth, so we'll do that now. Before we put this circle of beautiful paper on, we want to, it's nice and damp, we want to put some Mod Podge on the top of the stool. So I'm actually just gonna pour a little bit on here and let the kids wipe that over. Your turn to do something, Harvey. Oh, try not to let it all run down the sides. You'll go, Piper. So just make sure you don't have too much running around the sides. Hold that, bud. Okay, and then we're going to get the round of paper and pop it on top of the stool. I actually won't let the kids smooth it out because it is quite delicate while it's wet. So once you've got it on there, the last step of the whole thing is just to add a layer of Mod Podge on top as well, which sets it and it gives it, it like seals it and it goes clear. And if you get it on other bits of the stool, don't worry, it goes clear and it will dry. You won't even notice. So I am just going to go over that as the last step now and just check. There's a few bits from the brush and clumps of glue that I just want to take off. I do like to go around the sides with the brush just so that we have a nice finish. So you can see here, it does look like it's really obscured the beautiful paper, but that will dry clear.